Today, we stand in the deepest sympathy and solidarity with those people in Christchurch. This was an Islamophobic attack on people peacefully going about their right to pray, their right to assemble. In exactly the same way that what happened in Pittsburgh was an attack on Jewish people going to their synagogue to pray on that day. Exactly the same way a crazed person killed Makram Ali just down the road from here. Just as we've stood up over London Bridge and so many others, we stand here today as a united community, saying no, absolutely no to racism in any form whatsoever in our society. These demonstrations all around the world have a purpose of showing our unity in the face of this kind of attack, but also that refugees are not our enemy, that migrant workers are not our enemy, that those people that have made their homes in different countries are not our enemy. Our unity is our strength. Our unity is our understanding. Our unity is one that can destroy and defeat the whole message of hate that these people are trying to put onto us. Stand together. That's the only way our children have the hope and the future that we are determined to achieve for them. A world of peace, a world of unity, a world of human rights. Thank you very much.